So in terms of installing a septic tank, I guess the main thing really is to make sure you're working with a contractor or a specialist that knows how to install these products. It isn't simply a case of just digging a hole. The site is very specific in terms of ground conditions, stability, making sure that you're providing a safe working environment, because you typically could be digging an excavation 2.5 to 3 or even 4 meters deep, and if someone's got to go in the hole to lay a concrete base, it should be properly shored or battered. So really it's very site specific, but very basically, once the excavation is formed, the tank is installed, normally with a concrete surround, and then backfield, so all you actually see once it's underground is the cover at ground level.